Hello student, here the one question, NCERT, NEET point of view, important question. This question is important for NEET point of view. I will discuss now. 100-watt bulb emits monochromatic light of wavelength 400 nanometers. Calculate the number of photons emitted per second by the bulb. That is the question. Here, power of the bulb. Power of the bulb. How much is given? 100 watts. You know watts conversion? 1 watt is equal to how many joule seconds? 1 watt is equal to 1 joule second inverse. So in the place of watt, replaces with this units. So 100 joule second inverse. This is the power of the bulb. Value is given in the question. A 100-watt bulb emits monochromatic light of wavelength 400 nanometers. 400 nanometers means this is wavelength value is given. Wavelength value. Energy of 1 photon. Energy of 1 photon. What is the formula? E is equal to h nu. Energy of the photon formula. E is equal to h nu. Nu means what? Nu is equal to C by lambda. Nu is equal to C by lambda. So E is equal to hc by lambda. Find out the E value, energy of the photon. Energy of the photon, E value, find out that h is nothing but Planck constant. So E is equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. C means velocity of the light. Velocity of the light value 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second by lambda value. Here the 400 nanometers is given. 400 nm means nanometers. 1 nanometer is equal to how many meters? 10 power minus 9 meters. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meters. So 400 into 10 power minus 9 meters. What are the common units are present here? The meters and seconds get cancelled. Only joule is remaining. After simplifying this value, we are getting 4.96, almost 5 into 10 power minus 19 joules. 10 power minus 19 joules. This is the energy of the photon. Energy of 1 photon. What is asking here? Calculate the number of photons. The question. So number of photons emitted. Number of photons emitted is equal to power of the bulb by energy of 1 photon. Energy of 1 photon. So power of the bulb, how much here? Power of the bulb 100 joule second inverse. And what is the energy of the photon? 4.96 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So number of photons, how many are released? So after simplifying this value, the resulting value, final value is 2.01 into 10 power 20 second inverse. These are the number of photons emitted per second. The question is asked per second. Na? These are the number of photons emitted per second. The question is asked per second. Here the answer is we are getting per second. So number of photons emitted is equal to power of the bulb by energy of 1 photon. Dear students, this question is very important because of it is NCERT question. NEET point of view, important questions. To every student I am saying one thing, my request is, don't practice different books. Practice first, give the priority to NCERT in text questions, NCERT theory part. Make a short notes. That is very important, students. As a NEET students, don't practice any different kind of books. PYQ questions, NCERT questions, and whichever the organization you are studying, that organization material questions practice. That's enough. But this practice is needed multiple times. Practice NCERT, make a short notes, again practice PYQ questions, again practice your institute organization, whichever organization, that organization material question. That is simple way of preparation. Don't take too much stress. No need to stress. NEET examination depends on NCERT. Remember, students.